J&J, Coca-Cola, do they have a weekly chart and monthly chart buy signal? Today, I'm going to give you the insight from the chart. Do we have any opportunity to invest into stock? And I'm talking about invest. This is super long haul. Okay, so basically, this is for the Easter game price. Okay, so let's see if they can get the free asset for my indicator bundle. So now we use our indicator. So first thing, look at Johnson Johnson, J&J weekly chart. You can see, do we have a buy signal here? The answer is no, because the red is not even turning up, they're turning downward. They're still in the process of downward. It's not yet upward, like here. Not yet. So basically, this one, we need to wait for a bit for it to go upward. Okay, so this is weekly chart. Basically, weekly chart, it means we don't have a big opportunity. And how about monthly chart? Monthly chart is the same thing, but we are still in the upward channel. But do we have buy signal here? No, because it's halfway of the upward. Okay, the best buy signal is here. Is here. Some people say, oh, but we have an up here. Correct, we have an up. You can add your position here, but you will need to stop gain here. Stop gain or cut loss here. Okay, because the blue is still going downward until this moment. One candle go above both, then this is the best buy point. This is also a buy point here because they go above the blue and they go above the red. Okay, it's also a buy point. But with our strategy, when they drop below, you need to sell. So basically, you doing buy and sell almost an even price. Here is the main entrance price. You see how critical. If we buy when they go above the blue, this is right away to go up. Okay, so I told you again, when the blue go downward, the market cycle is still downward, but you can start to do some trade for monthly chart because some stock, not J&J in this case, but some tech stock or some crypto, basically the range is quite big, so you can still make quite crazy profit. But again, this point, if you buy, is not all in position. Okay, because the blue is still going downward. So remember your risk management. Okay, so now the second stock I look is Coca-Cola. So let's see Coca-Cola. This is monthly chart. Okay, where is the best buy? But do we have buy point here? The answer is no. It's halfway of the race. Okay, number one, number two. Where is the best buy point recently? Which is here, October 2025. This price. At that time, let's say you buy at the highest, which is 138. Now it's 200. Now we are still on the race. Some people ask me, how come we cannot buy here? You can buy, but it's not for long-term investment. Why? Because your cut loss, you need to cut loss sooner, not here, not here. It's too far away for you to cut loss. So the best buy point is when they get close to the red line and when they get close to the blue line. Okay, so also when they change the direction to upward, this is the best buy point. Okay, we don't have Coca-Cola for YM chip entry for really long time. For monthly chart, basically, it doesn't even have it. Is it? Yeah, the whole period they don't have it. Okay, so now we look at weekly chart. Weekly chart, you can see if you have this chart, you can make so much money easily. Weekly chart, okay? So the first thing, do we have buy signal right now? Let's see. No, the answer is no. Because the red did not change the direction and the YM chip entry, we don't have anything coming in. Okay, this is weekly chart. It means if you buy these two stock, you can use daily chart to trade, but don't use weekly chart or monthly chart to trade. Second, if you buy this stock, look at this market cycle. Look at this market cycle to trade. When the red going upward, it means in long term, this is an upward trend. In between, if you want to buy, you use daily chart to trade. Okay? Right now, we don't have any buy signal for weekly chart, and the market cycle is still going upward. So if you want to buy in this stock, you use daily chart to trade. Okay? So this is quite easy. Weekly, we have nothing for Coca-Cola. And again, where is the best buy point here? Which is here, Last time is here, which is 157. This one only February this year. So only 2 months. You making from 130 to right now 200 with Coca-Cola. Is it better than tech stock? It's crazy. So another buy point is here. The red changed the direction. We have an up signal. Also here, when they go above the blue, this is also the buy signal to add. Okay, so this is quite easy trick. Coca-Cola basically the whole period thing, they don't have the YM chip entry. Yeah, so if you use this indicator and you buy here, you look like a superhero easily, already double. This point is last year, June. Can you imagine with this stock? There's no risk. This is one of the good example to tell you how to do the investment with weekly chart and monthly chart. And from now on, my advice to everyone, including myself, is to find a good setter, good business company. Don't find rubbish. Find a good, very consistent business. They have positive cash flow, growth, very stable. Because if you're not fund management, if you're not fund manager, if you're not hedge fund manager, basically you don't know how to calculate the valuation. So use some company you really know really well and you do long-term investment. It's very safe. So Coca-Cola is one of the good example to tell you basically this kind of stock, although the growth is not quite massive, but I mean, if you buy with technical analysis, you get crazy profit. This is only from last year. I'm talking about last year, June to right now is already 200. 200 for the profit 200 from here, which is 100. Now is 200. Can you imagine that? So this is the update today for our Easter game. So I will look for some other stock. I find they have weekly chart opportunity and monthly chart opportunity for you to look at. This is not a recommendation for the trade, but this is only for the education. I want to education people. I want to educate, share with my knowledge. Don't get trapped in the stock market. So but even you buy this, right? Let's say you buy here first, you add your position here. They can still go down a little bit because it's weekly chart. Remember, they can still drop by 5%. Maybe you may complain, oh, you say you will increase. Yes, but you need to look a bigger picture. Don't tell me, oh, today drop by 3%, tomorrow drop by 5%, and people start to complain. For example, this candle drop by 6%. People may start to complain. But if you look a very big picture, this gives you a very stable portfolio growth, right? So if you like this kind of opportunity, click like, subscribe, share with your friend. If you want to have this indicator, you can also click the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.